Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at VVS Finance. Yes, I am back today for more punishment. If you didn't catch my last video, I took you through some of the details of how I went from $1,000 down to $400 and I lost it all on VVS. Yeah, kind of like that video, if you're familiar, South Park, and it's gone. Yeah. When they're investing in cryptocurrency. So, similar situation here. However, today I'm looking at getting into another mine just to utilize what I have, so it's not sitting around collecting dust, so to say. So I'm over here in the glitter mine. I was looking through. All right, I unstaked from the pathetic. It was 16% interest the other day, and now it's down to 14.78, and we're up to 4.2 trillion. Before it was 3.6 trillion tokens staked, but still not great. All right, so let's take a look. Argo just came out. All right, you can see we have XVVS staked in the billions, 21 billion staked. Whew. All right, well, here we go. Let's see what we can do here to dilute the brand new IGO Argo token holders. So I did not participate in that IGO. I made a video about it. Told you why I wasn't going to participate in it. But now that the IGO is complete, I think the tokens have been issued. We're going to enable this mine. You can see it's a limited time. It's going to end in about 2 months. So let's see how much I can generate of this 147% return that they say they're going to have, potentially, and how much the Argo actually gets diluted. So let's go to stake. Let's go to max. You can see how much VVS I have, about $142 worth. All right, cool. And it's making 50% now in the vault, about. But here it's going to make more. So if I keep it in there for a year, which it won't last the whole year, $478. Now that's pretty cool. I wish it would go that long, but it won't. And it'll cost me 1 crow to do this, and it's probably going to cost me another crow or 2 to unstake. So I'm going to make about probably 10 to 15% on this investment, would be my guess. It's hard to say. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below about the new Argo token. I just want to get some without paying for them. I'm kind of paying for them, but I'm not at the same time. It's pretty interesting how this works. So I'll be able to come back and harvest this periodically. It's probably going to cost another crow to do a harvest. So I might just wait until the end and harvest everything and de-stake everything at once. So it's just one fee, potentially. Alright guys, tell me what you think about Argo. Should be an interesting ride. Hopefully it treats me better than VVS did. So, you want to know more here about DeFi and VVS Finance and other cryptos that are potentially better than VVS ecosystem, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.